I am in this horrible stage where like I literally just can't stand my hair. I hate it. Okay, hey guys, I hope you are doing so well. I am more than excited because I don't have a car and I don't live near a thrift. So anytime my sisters are in town, I'm just like, please take me to Thrift. And I finally got one of them to do it for me. Today, I thought I would talk a little bit about like what I look for at the thrift store because I really don't like buying fabric anymore. Like I have some fabric that I bought new, but I have to be honest, like I'm just so much more inspired when I go fabric shopping at the thrift lately, and it's just my favorite thing to do. Not to mention it's so much cheaper and obviously better for the environment, which we love. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm gonna talk a little bit about like how I sift through the stores, and I'm gonna tell you how much everything costs, of course, because I love, you know, I just believe in money transparency. That's just who I am. I actually only went to 2 stores, but I think I have a pretty good haul and like a pretty good idea of what I want to do with each thing that I got. First thing I picked up is this really pretty, I'm just gonna probably say that all the time, but it is like this floral curtain. My favorite place to look for fabric is probably the curtain department. And not every store has curtains, which is always a bummer, but luckily the 2 that I live by both have quite a few of like my favorite types of places to look for fabric. So the first is curtains. If they have curtains, blankets, drapery, book it there, girl. It's literally, I mean, you're just buying yards of fabric. Hello. I really like the colors on this one. It is sheer. My sister said maybe a skirt, and I do have some like yellow polyester fabric that I like really don't like, and I'm trying to get rid of. So I'm thinking maybe a skirt, and then I could put this over it, or maybe I'll make a dress of sorts. I don't know yet, but I really like it. And for this one specifically, I do like the way it feels. That's like a big thing for me, but I got this one more for the pattern. This was 1 panel for about $4. It was $3.98, and then yellow tags were half off, baby, so I got it for $2. It has these really pretty like this floral thing going on with a lot of blank space, which I like personally. So these are all going instantly into the wash before I like work with them, and honestly I wish that I had already washed them, but I wanted to keep the price tags on them. This blanket I originally picked up, and I always do this. I always go to the blankets because I love these. Well, first of all, I love woven blankets, and then I have one. It's just too much work for me to go get it, but like I love these, so I'm always finding them at the thrift. I don't know why people get rid of them, but you know, I'm not complaining. So I am always looking for these at the thrift store, and in my head I always want to make these really awesome like gorgeous jackets, but then I fall in love with the blanket too much and I like don't want to cut it. But one day I will. The next one I swear I don't get to keep, I cut. This one I bought, I think it's really cute. It's like, I don't know, it's like an interesting net. Because I like the color blocking and I love the way it feels. It feels really, it's a great weight, like a really nice weight to it. And I want to make a jacket, but I do technically, my boyfriend is right. He's like, you already have like a colorful squared like checkered cardigan that you never wear, and it is true. So he thinks I should keep it a blanket. It's so small. Actually, this might have, I can't talk, but I think I just made my decision. It's too small to be a good blanket. So I think I'm gonna make a jacket out of it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Should I do a jacket? Should I keep it as a blanket? I don't know, maybe tag me in a cool jacket if you see it. These are my social handles. I'm like really vying for friends right now. I'm like desperate for friends, guys. So follow me, let's chat. And if you see a jacket pattern, oof, these things smell, if I'm being honest. If you see a jacket pattern, tag me in it. So I think that's too small to be an enjoyable blanket. I almost forgot, but the blanket is $3.78. So about $4 as well. And that one was not half off because it was yellow tags only. I hate like, my nose itches so bad. But like I hate like itching my nose when I'm wearing makeup and then like touching things that I want to sew with, because that's how I always get the stains on everything. Like I stain everything. So the last thing that I got at this place, which usually, you know, it's my favorite thrift and I always find something great. Okay, I love this place. But I usually find a little more in the men's dress shirt department. These are my favorite things to buy, for corsets especially. Let me give you a shout out, girl. Okay, this one is specifically for my girl Zoe, who watched my Sabrina Carpenter dupe video. Thank you, first of all, for watching. And secondly, this is for you, girl. Well, not literally, but this is for that tutorial. I'm gonna make from scratch the Sabrina Carpenter corset, and I do know who it's by, and I will give her all of the credit. But we're doing a thrift to finish, and I should be doing this next week, so keep an eye out. But if I remember correctly, you said your concert is in October, so we have plenty of time. So I got this because my little sister wants one in pink. It's a little salmony, but this was literally the only pink one they had, and I only need one because my sister's tiny, and this is a triple XL. Normally I would get two, but that's what I bought this for. And I love going to the men's button-ups. The bigger, the easier it is to find like a color match, because you need less. Well, sometimes you like only need one, because you're looking, this is the best part about men's button-ups for fabric, is there's not that many panels. Like this is all one back panel. I can probably get like, wow, actually now that I'm looking at it, I could probably get almost all my pieces. My little sister's like a size 2. On just this back panel, there's no seams. Even at the top here, like you're getting extra fabric because they don't, these darts are just folded in, like they're not even sewn on. And the sleeves, a sleeve only has one seam, right on the bottom. So when you take it apart, which subscribe if you would like to watch the tutorial, when you take it apart, you just have, and you unroll it, you have another giant panel. So, and they're usually made out of like nice materials like linens, 100% cottons, even like silk sometimes. So I love going to the men's dress shirt department, and there's always so many. Like there's always so many. Sometimes it's hard to find colors. I don't know, it probably changes on your area. I bet in like Florida, oh my god, I bet you can find so many fun colors of like men's button-ups at the thrift. Like I'm jealous. And that was $7.98, and it was a yellow tag. So we'll say $4. And I already have the beads for that project. So it's gonna be very cheap, very affordable. We love to thrift, save the planet. Okay, I lied. I did get another thing at that thrift. And this one, I had to explain the vision to my my sister. Let me know if you see it, okay? Let me know if you see it. I want to do a video where I dupe a House of CB dress. They are stunning, and they are very expensive. And, you know, I think we could do it. I think we can do it. So I got this curtain, okay? And it gives like a little bit, like, no, actually, you know what? I like it. Let me see if I can, it's so heavy. It looks better in person. I swear. It looks like vintagey and fun, but like in a garden-y kind of way. Oh my god, it's actually so much fabric. So let me know if you can like see the vision, but I think I'm gonna use this to make a House of CB dress. This is a curtain, okay, and it's one panel. It's never gonna sell. Who, like these things, they never sell. So like I love getting the one panel anything because they're always gonna be so affordable, and it's huge, it's heavy. My beloved cousin is getting married next year, and her bridal shower is gonna be like garden party. And I think this, like super fitted, it looks crazy with the top of this, but like, okay, like super fitted with like a big skirt. Okay, I can kind of see it. Let me know if you could see it. But this is great. And I love the big curtains because like an expensive curtain is made out of a good fabric, and it's already, and it comes with a lining. Hello, it comes with its own lining. $3.98. House of CB who? $3.98. So I also like to go to the home decor section, and my favorite thing to look for are placemats. And again, I love this, like, I'm like spinning too far. I love this like woven, look how cute. Are you kidding me? It's like, it's just nice, okay? It's woven. Tulips are literally my favorite flower, okay? So I had to buy it. I had to buy it. $1. $1. I wish there were more. So here's what I would do. If there were multiple of these, a corset with like a corset top with a skirt bottom. I know I love making corsets. They're just so satisfying to make. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get creative, but like maybe they become my thing. Who knows? Anyway. Okay. So like if I had multiple of these, I would have cut them into panels, or like a vest. Oh my god, stop. Like just like a vest to wear with like jeans. Like, oh, that would be so cute. Unfortunately, there was only one panel, but for $1, like I couldn't let her stay because I love tulips too much. So I'm thinking like a purse, which nobody else seems to see. I brought it up a few times. I was like, what about like a purse, you know? And like my boyfriend didn't have a nice reaction. Not that he's right, like about fashion, that's not what I'm implying, but he didn't have the right reaction, and neither did my sister. I literally can't make clothing out of it, okay? Won't fit. I thought maybe like an iPad case. That's what I'm saying. I don't always go thrifting with the project in mind first. We're talking about how to thrift for the fabrics. I love woven, and I love a placemat. Like, it just feels like it has infinite opportunity. Adjacent to the placemat, oh, you know, this is really similar. This is a really similar color to that button up I got. These are pillowcases. Hello. Again, big panels of fabric. That's what we're looking for, big panels of fabric, pillowcases. These are perfect. These were $1.50 each, and I think that's great. And whatever I make out of it, you know, this is the thing too, like when I thrift the fabric, I'm not as upset if the project doesn't come out great. It's kind of like, you know, when you buy like expensive ingredients to make something for the first time and then it tastes disgusting and you're like, okay, what a waste of $87 in ingredients, okay? This is more like, oh, well, it was only $2 and it was probably gonna go in a landfill anyway. $1.50, pillowcases, great way to thrift. I just stay away from polyester, guys. We don't need polyester in our lives. Okay, and then I have a few more notes. These aren't for fabric, I just wanted to show off because I'm pretty excited about them. I got these pants. This is, it's hard to see them. Can you see them? Can you see them? They're really cute. They're like white, but they have these really, really pale beige, yellowish stripes. They're from Old Navy and they feel really nice. I haven't tried them on yet because I need to wash them. But I'm really excited because I'm trying to find pants that aren't jeans, so I just wanted to show them off. And then I also found these, which I'm pretty excited about. But they're like kind of giving 90s grunge, like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know. Maybe by editing I'll have some outfits to show you. You gotta see the vision. Okay. They were $6.99 each. I really feel like I had such a great thrift haul. So let's recap. We are thrifting for materials. I walk into the store and the first thing that I'm looking for personally are blankets, curtains, bedding, like pillowcases, sheets, like kind of gross with the sheets. Pillowcases, definitely. A lot of times they even have bedding like still in the bag, so actually just bedding in general I think is a good place to check. Like blankets, I love these woven blankets, guys. If you find them, send me pics. I feel like I had a hair on my, literally across my face like this whole time. I literally had, did I mention I hate my hair? Like it drapes. I'm just saying guys. Oh, I'm gonna show you something else. Now, whether this one is like something you would buy at a thrift or not is totally your, you know, prerogative, whatever, is that the right word? This I personally got from my grandmother, but it's this old towel. I loved the colors. They're like kind of faded, and my vision, I know summer's over. Okay, whatever, I'm behind. I'm just gonna keep making it. I don't care what time of year it is, okay? But anyway, my vision was like a wrap dress for the beach. So cute, right? Out of like a vintage towel. It looks even a little more saturated on screen actually, which is interesting. But in person, the colors are like so muted and cute. So like I would go looking at cool towels, tea towels. Oh my God. And placemats. So the next place I would go is home decor, which is like for sewing. Yeah, but you want to look for placemats and the woven ones. And like these vintage placemats have such cool patterns. Like here's the problem. I keep buying it to sew with, and then I like literally can't hurt it for home decor, and I keep it as home decor. I don't even have a table that I sit at, but I did get this like really nice set of like vintage woven placemats, and like they would look so good as a mini skirt. Oh, so those are really good. I always recommend that. And the next place I go is the men's dress shirts. Probably after that I would just go to dresses, but the thing is like I obviously like we could have a whole video on thrifting and altering. Like that's not really my thing. I like to create from scratch, so I thrift for the raw material rather than like, oh, I could make this cute. Like I want to get into that, but like it's just not my thing right now. So I try to stay away from like going to dresses because I'm like, oh, someone could wear this as is. Like it's not my business. But if I found like a really big, awesome, like but maybe so out of style, like silk, I'm always looking for silk, linens, cotton, like literally anything but polyester. And yeah, so that's how I thrift for fabric. It's not like world-class advice, but I thought maybe it would be fun. Okay, if you hated it, let me know. If you liked it, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. It helps. I have a lot of time on my hands right now, guys, so let me know what you would want to talk about or make. I got that Sabrina Carpenter corset. It should be coming out very soon. Some other ideas. Let me know what you thought about my projects today. I just want to chat. Is that obvious? Talk to me. Alright guys, well this is fun. I really enjoyed it. We'll chat the next time I thrift. Hopefully soon. I actually have another sister visit coming up, so who knows. But I'm kind of in the pour. But if you like this video, maybe I won't be in the pour anymore, so no pressure. Okay, bye guys. Thank you. Bye.